This is the XPLOR 400 Pro by Flashpoint. A rebranding of a Godox product. Let's unbox this. I also have the AC wall connection and a cap. That's the XPLOR 600, which I'll show you why I got that in a little bit. ID tag. D-rings are metal. There's a mesh pocket up here. Here's the shoulder strap. Some documentation. Ooh. The case smells like it's been in a warehouse for a while. Here's a battery. The FPPPX 400 PRB. This is the adapter. I forgot what other kind of mount. It's not a Bowens mount. This is a Bowens mount up here that you need to adapt it. And this is why I got that other lens hood. Oh, okay. Whoa. This Flashpoint 400, the XPLOR 400 Pro, this is kind of heavy. Interesting. I don't even have the battery connected to it. Didn't think it was going to be that heavy. Little Allen wrench. And it does come with a wall. Oh, this is for the battery. How do you charge the battery this way? Oh. So you got a little plug there. Plug this into the wall to charge the battery. That's nice. Now let's take off this cap up here. Whoa, that's a thick... What a thick piece of casing. And there's an LED light, modeling lamp, and here's the lamp itself. Okay, let's look at the other toys I got with it. The Flashpoint AC adapter. Really long extension cable. And this is wrapped up into a nice little, here we go. Great. Here's so that I can run the XPLOR 400 on wall power. Otherwise, without this, which is a little over $100, it only runs on battery power if you're in the studio. Okay, so here's the XPLOR 600 protection cover. This is for the 600, which has a Bowens mount. The 400 does not have a Bowens mount. You need an adapter. So here's why I got this setup here. Normally, got the bulb. Bulb is in, and that is the most delicate, fragile part of the entire light. So you got to protect that. And when you transport it, you put it on with that cover, and it fully protects, with the exception of this part, that if you had, let's say, a metal piece hit that, it's going to break. That's not good. But the thing about this mount is it's a proprietary, it's smaller than a Bowens mount. So if you have if all your modifiers are Bowens, you're going to need the adapter. Okay, it took me a second to figure this out. But here's the Bowens adapter to the 400. You put this on, and it's a little flimsy. It could be released, but that's where this toolkit comes in. These are extra screws that you screw in 1, 2, 3, 4 to make sure that the Bowens mount is on there kind of permanently. But once you put this on, that cap that came with it originally, it no longer fits. That's why I got the Bowens cap for the XPLOR 600, because then with the 600, now it fits right on, and you can still protect the bulb. Wow, that makes it longer. Kind of heavy. Okay, so that is the XPLOR 400 with a few accessories.